Welcome to another how-to / weight reduction video. Today we're going under the dash. We've been here before, so today we're going to talk about this motor right here. It's basically the dash vent blower motor, or essentially the fan that blows the air through all your vents. We're going to start with a how-to for those of you that might need to figure out how to pull it off for whatever reason. Maybe it's broken, you have to replace it, or you're crazy like me and want to do a little weight reduction. So it's pretty easy to do. Now, first off, if you can tell, I've already got stuff taken apart because my car is gutted. So step one, pull the glove box off. You're gonna need to get access underneath here, so there's like a glove box cover that kind of covers it up. I've already done that, and I've done a separate video. I'll put it up right here, so go ahead and watch that first. And now that you've watched how to get the glove box off, we're down here, we can see it. Now let's pull this off. Again, this is super easy. It is literally, and I'll try to get under here so you can see, hopefully the angle goes. There's 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, and electrical connector. That is literally it. And these 3 screws are a T20 star bit. So let's go ahead and throw on some light. Hopefully you can see that better. So again, 1, 2, 3 screws. So first thing you want to do, pull that connector off just like that. And then these screws, super easy, not very much to them. You can see the motor's already dropping. Last screw. That's it, and it drops. So there you have it, one blower motor. If you had to replace this or whatever you need to take it out for, it could not be much easier. And with all this glove box stuff taken off already, it literally takes me seconds. I'm gonna weigh this up for you weight reduction people, but before I do that, I need to put it back in because I need to drive home first. And as you can see, it is 100 degrees here in Dallas right now. I need AC, so I need to put this thing back on. And it's very easy to align. Basically, this lines up with that. And it kind of just goes into place there. Three screws in, throw the connector in, bam, all done. Just like that. That's how easy this thing is to take on and off. And that is why I take this off all the time at the track. All right, so now I showed you that. Get in the car, get home, take it off another time so I could weigh it up for anyone that's interested in how much that thing weighs. It actually is a pretty little good chunk of weight, so see you in a minute. And we're back to my garage, and as you can see, I've already pulled this blower motor off already yet again, because it is that easy. So let's go ahead and weigh this sucker up. All right, we got my trusty scale right here, which by the way, I'll link to this scale in the description below in case you want one like this. I love this scale, it is an awesome scale. But anyway, let's get this on here. First, the 3 screws. We have 0. They don't even register an ounce. Okay, so the motor, 3 pounds, 1.2 ounces. Like I said, it's a good little chunk of weight. It's not a lot, but for some that takes literal seconds to take on and off, if you already have access through your glove box like me, which is why when I go to the drag strip, I do take this off. And you're not supposed to run your AC anyway, because that's bad because you leak water onto the track. So there you have it, another quick little how-to and weight reduction video. Hope this helped. As always, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See you at the drag strip.